So wealth is anything of value that a person or a household, so such as gold, house itself, shares, etc. So any stock of value in any goods, any that. Sometimes we also say that anything that can generate an income as well. So yes, wealth is anything of value owned by a person or a household. How is wealth distributed, or distribution of wealth? What we are trying to say over here is the way the wealth is distributed in groups of society. And the most common, let's say, in the way wealth is distributed in groups of society, the most common example being rich and poor. Another common example that's coming up in UK is between the young generation that's coming out of university, because you guys are carrying a lot of debt, and the old generation that actually had access to free education.
Yeah.
So age is another one. So let me put this down. The current is settled in debt, right? And the older generation had access to free education.
Yeah.
Income is the flow of money to a factor of production for engaging in economic activity. And such as labor.
Yeah.
Okay, they get wages, could be daily, weekly, or monthly, fortnightly as well. Again, what is distribution of income? What I mean by distribution of income is
another example of income be rents. You receive from owning houses, right?
Yes, yeah, you could say that, flow of money, yeah. If you're taking houses as a stock of, resource, as a resource.
Yeah, you're renting it out. Okay.
Yeah. It's like interest for your deposits in bank, isn't it? So distribution of income, the way the income is distributed among different groups of society. And again, the most common group being that of the rich and poor people. I should probably try to type a bit slower, and I'll make less of those typing errors. Right, if you look over here, I've put down some interesting pictures, right? So if you look at a house, what is that? Is that an income or is that a wealth?
Wealth.
What about stock certificates?
They're wealth as well.
It
can also be an income as well, though, can't we? Because you can get...
If you get dividends.
Yeah.
Regular dividends, not the stock certificates themselves, right? So as I'm saying, the stock can generate income, okay? Or wealth can generate income. Now, what about gold?
That's definitely wealth.
That's definitely wealth. And they do go up in value as well, isn't it? Over the long term.
And down as well.
Yeah, in short terms they go down as well. Yeah, you're right. Interesting picture. You've got the rich people and the poor people. I like this one, isn't it?
It's a graduate pulling along
his
grandparents and the debt they've left him. And then there's...
No, the grandparents haven't left the debt. The debt he's getting from the university, isn't it?
Why the old people? Why is he putting old people?
Interesting, because his income is going to go towards the pension. Your national insurance, isn't it? It goes towards state pension.
Oh, that's what it means. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant. Thank you.